Let's check in now with our Janine Stanwood, who was in Coral Gables, where she was hunkered down there dealing with a lot of rain and some uprooted trees.
Cavalry, the wind direction has changed, and you can see that it is really gusting. In fact, right now you can hardly see a thing where we are in downtown Coral Gables, Miracle Mile, Aragon Avenue. I want to bring your attention over here to this business that had put up their metal shutters, and you can see that a couple of the panels just didn't take. And right now it looks like they've been breached. We actually saw them sort of shaking around in the wind. This is definitely a time that police and authorities don't want you to be out, because not only are the conditions bad, but the power is out. Take a look, the street signs, those street signals, those lights have been out for the last couple of hours, and we have seen a couple of cars, some of them driving quickly, and I don't know why, which is very, very dangerous. And in fact, this is Miracle Mile right here. This is sort of the heart of Coral Gables, and well, you don't see it anymore, but there was an awning that was on one of these storefronts, and it just blew right off. It's somewhere barreling around Miracle Mile right now. But the rain and the wind right now is really causing some whiteout conditions here in Coral Gables. As you know, Coral Gables is still under a curfew, and thankfully, again, aside from those couple cars that we saw, we are really just not seeing a soul out here. For the last couple of hours, the power has been out, which is an issue, and I know it's probably an issue for you at home if you have any friends or family that live in the Coral Gables area and you haven't been able to get out and about and see them. From where we are in the downtown area, at least right now, we're not seeing any major damage, but what we are seeing is just a lot of debris kind of flying around, which is definitely a situation. In fact, over there on the pavement, that just looks like a little bit of debris, but it's actually very dangerous, because what it is, in fact, are probably, it looks to be roof tiles that are right now on the pavement, and that can be a dangerous thing if you're driving, if those can certainly crack your windshield. So that's the story from here in Coral Gables. Very windy, very rainy. It's gotten very dark just in the last couple of minutes. Definitely not a time to be out and about. I'll send it back to you.